Out mowing the yard, just like a normal whatever evening, and my drive belt breaks. I guess that's how you do it. So I ordered one of these. I've had it for about 4 weeks, maybe more. I knew this was gonna happen because the sound that this mower was making when I had let off the brake, it was like a clicking sound. Part of this was gone, so it was a matter of time. It has happened now, and now I'm replacing it. Standing it up is the first time I've ever done that. Some people say it's bad. Some people say it doesn't matter. Just don't start the mower right away. So I'm gonna just do that. And I'm hoping that having it stood up like this is easier to get to all these places. Let's get started. First, I'm just gonna start by taking this mower deck off. I thought I would be fine without taking that off, but after looking at it, it's probably just gonna be easier if I just take it off. So let's just get that done. That was just 3 cotter pins. Put them back so you know where they are. Definitely shredded the old one. First thing I'm going to do is just make sure I know which way this feeds, and then take out the old belt. Here is the diagram of the drive belt overlaid on top of the mower. You can see the fan in the bottom, the 2 tensioner pulleys in the middle, and the main pulley to the motor at the top. This diagram will be referenced a few times during the video, and my hope is that you can use this video and the diagram to get back to mowing quickly. All right, let's take this off. Okay, every time I spin that, this spins, which is the motor. I'm thinking I need to take these 3 bolts off, get another socket and put it on that bolt down there so that I can actually break this free. And I found leverage. Now I'm taking this piece off. That's the bolt. The whole thing just slides off. This is the clutch system. Pretty ingenious stuff. Next, I've wrapped the new belt around the fan at the bottom and pulled it up to the top. I'm trying to figure out how to get it in a specific part of the tensor pulley, but it's just not working. In the end, I decided to take this panel off and go from there. You can see the pulley goes right here, and then this backside of the belt needs to go right through that spot, but there's just no way to get to it. So really I just need to take this bolt off and get this back in that slot. Around that, and around this. Yay! Now tighten that back. Now you can see that is where it needs to be. That's around the pulley down there. Now I just need to work on this pulley here. Before I forget though, I'm going to just reattach this plate here. I have a win. This actually slides. So, just wrap this around, just like so, and plop it back in there. Don't touch these side pieces at all, because that is all you need right there. Now, I'm going to put things back together. Okay, I'm going to let that sit for 10 minutes. Let the oil run down. And then I'm going to try to start it. Here goes nothing. That's a wrap on this project. I am so happy that I got that fixed. I didn't really have a choice either because I was mowing and it just quit on me. So you gotta fix it. In my case, I knew it was coming, so I had the belt ordered and I was ready to just make it happen. In all, it probably took about 2.5 hours. A lot of that was just me trying to figure out what I needed to take off and what I could leave on. In the end, it's probably just easier for me to just take off more. That being said, though, it was a huge pain. This is, again, the drive belt on an XT2 Cub Cadet. It'd probably be similar for the XT1 as well. As always, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, something I did wrong, something I should have done, something I could have tried, just drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and we'll see you next time.